This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix this item is not available on your country issue. So if you're trying to install an app from your Play Store but you see this item is not available in your country issue, follow these easy and simple steps to fix this issue. The first solution is tap and hold the Play Store app and tap on App Info. Now tap on Clear Data. Tap on Clear All Data. Tap on OK. Once done, reopen the Play Store app and search for VPN. Install a VPN from here. Once you installed a VPN, open the VPN app. Now all you have to need just change your internet server using VPN. So connect to a different location and then go to your Play Store and now search for the app. And now you should be able to install the app. So that's how we can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.